Ukungabikho kwamanzi kushaye kwazwela emabhizinisini njengoba kuthikameze kakhulu indlela yokusebenza kwawo ejwayelekile.
Abasebenzi abaninzi bajikile ngenxa yoba akho manzi. Namakhastama azileyo apha amanye ayathanda uhlala apha ekhawasha mhlawumbe imoto zawo ahlale siwa-ofere nge-toilet ngento yonke. Ngoku asikwazanga namhlanje abanye bajikile ngoba bathi abanohlamba imoto zabo ile nto i-toilet ingekho bazohlala bazobeka into zabo kuphi na.
Nezakhamuzi zithi leli bekuyisonto elinzima njengoba kubuye kwanyuswa nezigaba zohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.
Because two basic needs that we essentially need or deserve or are also paying for are not there. You know, how do you run the day? How do you run the week? So typically the whole week you've made a huge loss, you know. So the areas affected, we are affected. It's been a mess. It's been a mess.
Nakuba izindawo eziningi eGoli sezinawo amanzi kodwa ezinye azikakabi nawo.
The systems will recover differently. Some of the systems in the high-lying areas will recover quicker. Some will recover slowly as Ekenhof is pumping at full capacity. We are expecting the systems within Roodepoort and Randburg to take between 5 days and 10 days to fully restore water.
Kunxuswa zonke izakhamuzi zaseGoli ukuba zibekezele njengoba uhlelo lokubuyiswa kwamanzi ezingxenyeni ezithile zeGoli luphazanyiswa uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.